Merry Christmas! And by the time I post this, syempre tapos na yung Christmas. So how was your Christmas, guys? I hope that naging masaya pa rin kahit pa paano yung naging celebration nyo. Today is actually the 21st of December. So it's a Sunday and I am getting ready to meet up with mom. So magkikita kami ng nanay ko and mag-grocery shopping kami for our Noche Buena sa Pasko, sa 24. So kaya ako nag-ready. And ayun, very simple celebration lang naman yung gagawin namin. So yung mga usual Filipino Christmas Noche Buena yung mga ihahanda. Kayo guys, ano mga hinanda? How did you celebrate? Sabi no, ang bilis ng panahon talaga. Parang kaka 2025 lang and then ngayon magto 2026 na in like 2 weeks. So yeah, time really flies. And I decided na mag-vlog for this holiday para wala lang. Para something I can look back to in the future. Pero ay medyo may motivation tayo to vlog. And kaya kay mother ako makikipagkita because mag-grocery kami sa Robinsons kasi malapit yung apartment niya sa Robinsons Supermarket and I have gift certificates that I can use sa Robinsons Supermarket. So it's actually from the points from my credit card. So I got I think 3,000 pesos worth of gift certificates na pwede kong gamitin sa Robinsons Supermarket. That's why dun kami mag-grocery. Kasi syempre, sayang din yun, no? Ang mahal ng mga bilihin namin. And the 3,000 pesos is gonna help a lot with the budgeting. Hindi nga natapos mag-support. But yeah, let's go guys. Lunch muna kami. I'm back home na guys and ito yung aking mga pinamili pala. And ito yung mga inuwi ko. So yung mga, syempre yung mga kailangang lutuin nila mother. So yung mga ingredients na binili namin kanina, siya na yung nag-uwi. So ako, ito lang yung inuwi ko. So ito graham. Kasi ang gagawin ko is graham. Kaya, ayan, bumili rin ako nitong parang foil na anong tawag dito, rectangular foil tray. Para dyan yung graham, tapos syempre yung ingredients niya na all-purpose cream, tsaka condensed milk. Yun lang naman, di ba? Tapos may nakita akong muffin doon, so I wanna try it. 137 lang. Ito, pancit canton lang for me. Onion, tsaka toothpaste. So yun. Yun lang naman. And then yun nga, the rest of the items na pinamili namin is yun, inuwi na ni mother. So yun lang guys. Ang aking next agenda guys is linisin itong aking shoes. This is the Adidas Ultra Boost that I've had since 2019, but as you can see, sobrang dumi na niya. And actually, sira na nga ito. Medyo, ayun na, bumubuka na siya. Kasi last year, nung nag-start akong tumakbo-takbo, ito yung ginamit ko ng sobra. Kaya ayun, nagkaganyan, nagkanda dumi-dumi. And try ko siyang linisin kasi I bought this cleaning kit sa Lazada. It's called the KS Shoe Cleaner. So I'll see if effective to. Hopefully malinis. Or kahit papaano mabawasan ko yung dumi-dumi niya. So let's try this guys. So let's start guys. So bale ano to, parang foam siya. So I think hindi mo na kailangang basahin yung shoes. Ito na sila guys after cleaning. So ito yung yellow. So yung yellow sobrang ayos pa no. So ayan. Parang ito mas nalinis ko siya ng mas maigi. Kasi hindi naman ganun. I mean madumi siya pero hindi siya kasing dumi ng isa. So ayan. Ito yung beige. Hindi ko to ma-let go kahit na pasira na. Yung ganyan. Kasi nga gusto ko yung kulay niya. I really like the color of this one. And medyo pricey ko ito nabili. Parang nasa 9,000 kaya ito yung binili ko. Although na ROI ko naman siya ng mahigit. Pero still, parang I think kakayanin pa ito ng may iba. So, yeah. Papatuyuin ko lang siya. Tapos lalabang ko lang din yung mga sintas nila. So hopefully ito lalo ayos ko. But yun guys. Hello guys! Good morning! It's the next day. And alam niyo ba, ano pa lang, 7:30 AM pa lang. Aga ko nagising. Pero kain tayo guys, almusal. So the reason why I woke up early today is because manonood ako ng movie, yung Avatar na Fire and Ash. And yung time kasi or schedule ng movie ko is 10:30 AM. And syempre, parang di na ako, since sobrang aga niya, and ayoko namang ang first meal ko is yung popcorn. So, kaya gumising ako ng maaga para makakain ako ng almusal. So, yun lang naman. So, meron akong pancit canton. Tapos, ito yung sa Panda Manila, yung cheese, ay ano na yun? Cheese bread na ano pa yung isa? Pesto. Cheesy pesto bread. Tapos kape lang. And gamit ko yung London cup. Kain guys. So isang pancit canton lang naman to. Anong favorite flavor niyo ng pancit canton? Ako when I was younger, ang favorite ko is calamansi. Pero ngayon, ano na, a mix of yung calamansi and itong sweet and spicy. Pero since isa lang yung niluto ko ngayon, so sweet and spicy. Hello guys! So, it's currently 9:30 AM na and I am ready. So, ito lang ang aking outfit of the day. So, ito shirt lang from Uniqlo, which I really love. Ganda. So, naka-jeans ako. And then for my bag, Uniqlo din. And alam niyo ba guys, I recommend this bag especially if magta-travel kayo because it fits a lot. Parang siguro mukha siyang hindi makakalagay ng marami but it fits a lot. So when I was traveling in the UK, so kasya dito yung wallet ko, yung phone ko, and even yung camera ko. So kasya siya lahat dito. So very convenient. And syempre theft proof kasi nga madali mo siyang iharap sa'yo. Ayan. Just iharap mo lang siyang ganyan. Tapos syempre dapat nakatapat sa yung zipper. So theft proof siya. So while traveling, especially in London kasi maraming snatcher doon. Ano lang siya, nakaganyan lang siya. Nakahawak lang ako sa zipper niya. So very safe din tong bag. But anyway, yun, I'm about to go and mag-grab na lang ako dito. Ay, kaloka guys. So, sarado pa yung mall. 11 AM daw magbubukas. Pero yung mga manonood ng movie, just like me, ng 10:30, pinapapasok na nila. So, yun. Kalerks. Sarado pa. And hinihinga ako. Kasi, so hindi pa bukas yung mga escalator. So, mano-manong lakaran, paakyat. Anyway, let's do this. I'm home na guys, and ito lang yung mga pinamili ko. So, bumili ako nung ginagamit kong toner sa Watsons. Bumili ako nito ng Prosperity envelopes or angpao. para pamasko lang sa mga pamangkin. And syempre yung ating main pakay sa grocery, yung eggs. So 2 dozens of eggs. Tapos tignan nyo guys. So bumili ako nitong parang wooden na mga lagayan for my cups. Ayan, yung mga baso or coffee mug na binibili ko abroad. So di ba ang ganda? Ayan. So since hindi pa sila ganun karami, so dyan ko muna nilagay yung iba. Pero 'di ba, ang ano tignan, ang festive tignan kasi iba-iba sila ng kulay. Tapos nakaganda tignan. Ay ang ganda nila i-display sa wooden na rack or parang organizer. So yan. So that's it for today's guys. Bukas na ulit. Good morning guys. So it's the next day. It's the 23rd of December already. So tomorrow is going to be the Notre Dame days. But anyway, for anything else, let's unbox this pamaskong handog. Mandaluyong LGU. I really thought na hindi na sila magpapamigay ng ganito because in the past 2 years na nandito ako sa condo, laging early sila nagpapamigay nito, like around 1st to 2nd week of December. So I thought for this year, wala na because naisip ko, since ang daming mga nangyaring calamities in the past months, right? Mga tag-ulan, binaha, lindol, and sunog din guys. Grabe. May mga sunog din na nangyari dito sa Mandaluyong mga nakaraan. So I thought baka doon na lang ipamigay and hindi na magbigay ng ganito dito. But last night, nag-announce yung admin ng condo na merong pa ganito. So yun, ginawa ko to kagabi. And let's unbox kung anong laman. Hindi ko din nabubuksan guys. Iba. So, in fairness guys, marami namang laman. So, merong pang pansit. Tapos, merong pang spaghetti. In fair naman, dami yung laman. Tapos, may pakape. Ano itong brand na ito ng cup? Ayan. Coffee Joe. Ay, tikman ko nga. May maling din. So, I think may ipang almasal na ako. Ito. Maling. And then may corned beef. Meron ding tuna. Asukal na brown. Cheese. Tapos, spaghetti noodles. And bigas. Ay, in fairness naman. Ilang kilo ka? Siguro mga 2 kilos or 3. But yan, super dami ng laman. Thank you, Mandaluyong LGU. Yan. Most likely sa ano na to. Pang New Year na to. Pang mga pang spaghetti. Pero, ulamin ko na yung lunch and meal today. Pang almusal. Let's go. And now guys, gagawin ko na yung graham cake. So yun na, ready na yung aking mga ingredients. Yun na rin yung mga lagayan ko. And gagawin ko na siya today because 'Di ba nga 24 na tomorrow, so para mas malamig na siya. Para ma-ref na siya overnight. And yun, tapusin ko lang 'to ng mabilis. Let's do this. Tama ba yung ingredients ko? Yan lang naman, no? Hindi ko na siya lalagyan ng mga mangga, ganyan. Kasi wala din naman tinda sa grocery or ewan ko. Hindi ko nakita nung nag-grocery kami. But let's do this. Sa dalawa lang muna. Pero pag kulang yung tamis, dagdagan ko ng isa pang mali. So ito muna, all-purpose cream. So balik chilled to, guys. Para daw mas mag-double yung size. Itong pinaka tawag dito, mixture. I'm done na, guys, and ito na siya. And kulang yung mixture ko, kaya yun, bakat-bakat pa yung last layer. Pero naka 3 layers lang ako. Kaya nag-decide akong maglagay ng cocoa powder. Para lang mas magmukha siyang decente. Tsaka parang nakakasarap tignan, di ba? Pag sa tiramisu, yung cocoa powder. So, kaya sabi ko, lagyan ko na lang. But yan, itong ating aftermath, syempre, makalat. Akala ko makakagawa pa ako ng maliit para sana pang akin. Pang taste test ko later. Pero wala, kulang yung mixture. So, ayan, bakat-bakat pa yung last layer. Okay lang yan. So, tatakpan ko lang to ng foil and then i-ref. Guys, time for some work, guys. So, even though it's a holiday, may shift pa rin ako. And actually, wala na akong PTO for the rest of the year, for the rest of December. So, even on New Year, may pasok pa rin ako. But it's fine because, in return, with our position kasi, hindi na kami nag-earn ng double pay during holidays, and even nga pag night shift kami, wala na rin kami night differential. So in return, kapag pumapasok kami on a holiday, na-earn namin siya as an extra credit or PTO credit. So yun. So mas prefer ko yun kasi ayoko na din nakikisali sa pag-file ng PTO during December because almost everyone naman, di ba? Parang gustong mag-file ng leave during the holidays. So ako ayoko nang makisali. And since work from home naman, so papasok na lang ako tapos i-earn ko na lang siya as extra credit for next year. So yun, guys. So I think that's it for today for me, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.
The juicier it got. These are my favorite types of videos where I'm essentially going to tell you a story and it gets more dramatic as we go on. This situation was brought to my attention, and all I knew at first was that there was this woman who got caught lying in a very big and public way. And it all had to do with her job as a mystery shopper. And at this point, I'm like, hold on, let's rewind. I feel like I missed a lot of chapters. Somebody explain to me what's going on. Who is this woman? What is mystery shopping? What did she get caught doing? And why is it a big deal? And you best believe that I stopped what I was doing to laser focus on getting all of the answers to those questions, and I'm here to share the findings of my very niche deep dive with you today. I hope that I'm not too late to the game with this. I know that the internet moves at lightning speed, and for once in my life, I'm actually like a couple weeks ahead on my filming schedule, so I'm hoping that this is not old news by the time you actually see this video. I'm filming this on August 13th as this situation is unfolding, but it's not going to go live until closer to the end of the month, so I'm very sorry about that. But I can't help but still cover it, even if it is a little bit late, because it's got all of the things that I love in a video. It's got lying and scamming and someone who engages in shady behavior for their own financial gain. And best of all, when they get caught lying and all of these things are brought to light. Let's start with the basics. What is mystery shopping? What is a mystery shopper, sometimes known as a secret shopper? And this is very, very relevant information for this video, so you need.
Hello guys! So work is finally done and I am now getting ready para pumunta sa apartment ng nanay ko at makikain bilang nagugutom na rin ako. So yan, nagpe-prepare lang ako ng mga dadalhin ko. So ito yung Graham guys. Ginawa ko yesterday. And ito, may dala din akong maha. Ito naman, binili ko sa friend ko. So, pinadeliver niya kanina. And then, ayan, mga pang Sharon ko later. So, ito, magdadala ko ng madaming mga bakunan. So, let's go guys. Kain na. Ano yan? Yung dalawang nakatakip. Buksan mo ano? May spaghetti pa. May ketchup kayo?
Hindi yan masarap. Masarap yan. Ipasang ko kanya.
No? Diyan?
Haan, ipasang ko na di duwatag ka.
Oo.
Na?
May ketchup ba kayo?
Mag-appear kami.
Tulog na.
Kaya kami ba yun? Yay! May extra kang natin.
Hindi.
Plastic labo. Ang pangit na yun. May plastic labo.
Eh di ay eh syempre akin yan eh. Mga baon yan. Wala. Mga baon ako yun. Kaya mo nagdala ko na sa plastic na ako pag bukas. Merry Christmas guys! And it's officially December 25 na. It's 12 midnight and here I am eating again. So I hope guys na kahit papano masaya naman ang inyong Christmas. Kain ulit ako. And obviously, bumalik na ako dito sa unit ko. So, ako na lang mag-isa. And that's alright. And kumakain lang ulit ako ng spaghetti and chicken. Tapos later, titikman ko yung fruit salad. Because that's also my favorite. And I'm going to end my Christmas vlog here. I just wanna end this Christmas vlog in saying na kung meron man akong wish ngayong Pasko, syempre aside from good health for me and for my family and friends, especially kay mother, so aside from good health, ang wish ko rin ngayong Pasko ay sana makuha na natin yung justice for our country when it comes to the corruption. And I wish na sana lahat ng mga sangkot sa pagnanakaw sa kaban ng ating bansa mapanagot, mahuli silang lahat, and mabigyan ng karampatang parusa. So yun lang, and again guys, Merry Christmas and thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my New Year's vlog. Bye guys!